Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore Ramanathapuram District, Tamilnadu, a blend of history and nature. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Ramanathapuram District, located in the southern part of Tamil Nadu, is a region rich in history, culture, and natural resources. Known for its temples, beaches, and islands, it is a significant destination for tourists and pilgrims alike. The district plays a vital role in Tamil Nadu's overall development. Ramanathapuram district is situated in the southern part of Tamil Nadu, bordering the Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait. Its strategic location facilitates trade and commerce, particularly in the maritime sector. The district's geography is characterized by coastal areas, islands, and plains. The history of Ramanathapuram district dates back to ancient times with references in the Ramayana and other historical texts. The region has been ruled by various dynasties, including the Pandya and Chola empires. The district's historical significance is evident in its temples, monuments, and cultural practices. Ramanathapuram district experiences a tropical climate with temperatures varying across seasons. The district receives rainfall mainly from the northeast monsoon. The climate influences agricultural activities and daily life in the region. The nearest airports to Ramanathapuram district are Madurai Airport and Ramanathapuram Airport. These airports facilitate air travel for passengers and cargo. Ramanathapuram district has a diverse population with people from various communities and religions. The district's demographics influence its culture, economy, and social dynamics. The people of Ramanathapuram district belong to